Hey guys, welcome. This is my very first unboxing video, and actually my very first video that I've done where I'm actually talking. Normally I just speed it up real quick and play music over it so you don't have to listen to me, but we're going to give this a go. So I'm going to get right into it. I have my box sitting here, so I haven't opened this yet, and I'm so excited. I've had this for like a week, and I haven't opened it because I've been waiting for a chance to video it. Alright, so I'm just going to cut the tape and we will open it up. I'm so excited. I've literally been waiting to open this. It is still in the box that it shipped in, so I have not even seen the packaging yet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Ooh. So it's in all of this cardboard. So I probably could have got this out of the wrappers beforehand, but I want it to be a genuine reaction, so I did not. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This nice, pretty box. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the lid and set it over here. Oh my gosh. So this is the top layer. So you've got the lashes, you've got the lip paint, the mermaid glitter gel, and all of the sequins. So we'll untie this little ribbon on here, on the front of the box, and it opens up. And we have all of our layers. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so the second layer has the palette, the eyelash curler, the holographic lip gloss, and the mascara. And then this bottom layer is going to have the brushes, which I have been ecstatic about. They're the whole reason that I bought this. So we have the Quick Matte Dry Lip Paint in Exposed, which I've used these before and never this color, so I'm excited about it. It looks like it's got a little bit different of a cap. So here's how the cap looks. It's very mermaidy, very shiny, holographic. It almost looks like those oyster shell things that are really rainbow. Oh, I like this. Alright, so that is what the matte lip paint looks like. It's really pretty. This is neutral. It'll go with anything. I really like this color because I'm going to be able to layer it. So then we have our lashes. And I love these. They are just so pretty. Look at those. And then I think the underneath, okay, the bottom side has like a black underneath. So I guess when your eyes are open, they're going to be black. And then when they're closed, they're going to show those little cool rainbow things. I cannot wait to try those. We have the mermaid glitter gel. And this, oh, this is pretty. I'm just going to use my finger on here and just sort of pat the, oh, wow. Oh, I love this. Okay. We'll just put a little bit on this side. This is going to be perfect for festivals and, you know, stuff like that. Oh, this is so pretty. Everyone needs this. See, I debated on not getting the box. I was just going to get a few of the things. I was going to get the lashes and some of the lip gloss and stuff and the brushes because I was like, why do I need glitter gel? Now I know what I've been missing, and oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this every day. I'm gonna save all of these little sequins for later. I'm not gonna, you know, put those on right now, but here's the little pack, and there's a few more, but I'm just gonna go ahead and skip down to here. Here's the Lights Caramel Lashes, and it just looks like it's in a different container than usual, but it's got this pretty sparkly mermaid little tube. So we have the lash curler, and it's got this little thing. It looks like a pretty mermaid tail. And we've got the holographic gloss, and this has such a cute little sparkly lid. It's supposed to be color changing, we'll see. Oh. Oh, this is going to be perfect for summer. It's so pretty. And I just layered that right on top of my lipstick and it did perfectly fine. And it looks like none of the lipstick came off on the wand, so that's awesome. That means that lipstick dried like it was supposed to. Alright, we've got the main event, the Be a Mermaid Make Waves palette, which is so cute. Looks like a little seashell. And when you open it up, ooh, these colors. I love this one. Bubbles. This is gonna be good, I can tell. Okay, so you get 3 face brushes and 2 eye brushes. I'm gonna use the eye ones right now to show you a couple of these colors. Okay, I'm gonna take this little angled one. Let's do Shipwreck. Ooh. Okay, and I'm gonna take the fluffy brush and use Shell Yeah. And I'm gonna swirl that in there and just stick it right in the middle. I'm gonna take a little bit of Beach Please still on this fluffy brush and just blend it in from the outside. Just a little, oh wow. Okay, this one shows up really good. And then I'm going to take Nude Beach and just highlight under my brow. And then I'm going to take back this little angled brush and go back into Nude Beach. Go just in the inner corners. And then I want to use these blues just so you can see them. So I'm going to take Splash and go just underneath my eye. And I'm going to take Lagoon in the outside corners underneath. I'm in love with these blues. These are so pretty. I'm gonna get the fluffy brush back out and just smudge that just a little bit. The last one I'm gonna do is Bubbles. I'm going to take that one and go back over in between where I highlighted my brow bone and my crease, just to fill in some space. Oh, I love this color. It's like, I can't tell if it's blue or purple. It's magic. So I'm super impressed with everything in this box. I will be using these probably non-stop for the next month because I love mermaids and I'm obsessed with these, and I'll be taking them to work and showing everyone and going on and on about them. I hope I didn't ramble on too much, and I hope I wasn't too awkward trying to talk to the camera because I literally have never done this before. I would definitely recommend this. It's definitely worth the money spent on it because you get so much. It's definitely cheaper than, well, at first I was going to just order separate things that I wanted, but I added it all up and it was cheaper to buy the box, and I'm glad I did because I would never have gotten this, and this was probably my favorite thing. So it's definitely worth the money. Plus you get your regular samples as usual and a 15% off card. So if this wasn't too terribly awkward, let me know. And if it was terribly awkward, let me know. And hopefully I will be back for more. Bye.